So I'm a big runner, and I gotta take these off. These are like kind of heavy. And so hopefully those of you who are runners as well will kind of understand what I am talking about. So I just finished my 8th marathon in November. Thank you. I'm gonna do 2 more before I'm 50. So I did it in Savannah, Georgia with my running friends in Texas. We are known as the Heifer Herd because we love cows, and so it's just a fun little thing. So this medal is from that marathon. It was their first one, and it's the Every Woman's Marathon, where there are men running it. Yeah. But anyway, so training for a marathon takes a really long time, and it takes dedication and consistency. And as I was training, I trained here versus Texas, and so I trained by myself. And you have a tendency to do a lot of your thinking when you're alone running and trying to distract yourself from what you're doing. So I had a lot of time to think, and naturally my thoughts went to my Scentsy business and changes and things I wanted to do. And it occurred to me just how many similarities there were to training for a marathon. So I hope you guys can indulge me. I know this is a little off. I don't really know if it goes with the theme. I don't know if my topic, but anyway, if you guys will just indulge me as I share with you guys the similarities, and hopefully you guys will go away with some tips, some motivation. I don't know, maybe run a marathon yourself, because anybody can run a marathon. Yes, no, it's true. So first of all, choosing to sign up is the hardest, right? So as I'm reading this, think about running, but also think about your Scentsy business at the same time. So sometimes you sign up completely on your own. Maybe you don't have any friends that run with you. Maybe it's a race that you've always wanted to do because of the location. You can take your family. And then sometimes you have a whole bunch of crazy friends who get you to sign up, and you're like, what did I just do? So get yourself some crazy friends, because they're the best. So when you sign up, you're like, crap, I signed up, I paid the money, I need to do something with this. So first, you need the tools to be successful in both, hence the visual aids. My 19-year-old said it would keep your attention if I had visual aids. So for Scentsy, what would that be? Catalogs, testers. What else do you guys need to start your business?
That's it.
I can't hear you, but good answer. I'm sure it was awesome. Well, for running, obviously, you need fluids.
Yeah, I agree.
You need your nutrition. For me, I have to go gluten-free when I run. It's a very weird thing. I will be eating this later, so, but yeah, so you need nutrition, you need hydration, you need good shoes, you need the right outfit, but then you also need your testers, your catalogs, so you've got to make sure that you have all the tools that you need to be ready, especially this transition. You need to make sure that you've got everything ready to go for March 1st. So, along with these things, you will want to become familiar with your workstation. Join as many amazing Facebook pages as you can. There are so many out there with amazing ideas, amazing graphics, motivation tips. Get to know people that you might not normally get to know because of distance. Get to know those on your team. The hard part is then you need to find a training program that fits your lifestyle, fits when you can run. This is mine. Yes, I laminated it. When I laminate stuff, it means it's important. As you can see, I've marked stuff down. I have exactly what I need to do mile-wise, because sometimes you just need somebody to tell you what to do, right? So you find a training program that works for you, and I mean, honestly, isn't it really fulfilling to like cross stuff off when you do it, like a check-off list? So it is awesome at the end of the week. It tells me, wow, I ran 31 miles this week. And to be able to cross that off is super, and it just motivates you. So I do funny little sayings to keep myself motivated and excited, and I put this where I can see it every day. So make sure that you guys get your calendars out. You start booking parties, events, fundraisers, team meetings, Zoom calls, all the things that home office provides, all the Zoom calls that they do. So grab your calendar and start filling out those dates.